everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full face of Thrive Causemetics. That's right. I actually got a big old box in the mail right here. This is all Thrive Causemetics products. I'm so excited. And we're gonna put it all on my face today. So before we get started, I want to let you know that I did not buy these products myself. They were kindly sent to me by Thrive Causemetics. This video is not sponsored or anything like that, but I did do a collaboration video with them, like not for any of my social media, but for them personally. Like I made it for them and sent it to them. So I did do a video for them, but this video right here is not sponsored, and I have loved Thrive for quite some time, so it's not like a biased video or anything like that. But now that I have all these products, I wanted to do like a full face of Thrive because I've never been able to do like a full face of one brand, and it is almost a full face. It's not totally a full face because I will have to use eyeshadow and a lipstick. It's not from Thrive, but everything else is from Thrive Causemetics. And let's go ahead and get started because I'm ready. My mug today says, "You're a wizard, Harry." I am. Okay, I am going to go ahead and do my eyes first because I am going to be using the Nabla Dreamy 2 palette today. I have used this once before, but it's been a while and I really want to use it. I love Nabla eyeshadows. They are literally so gorgeous. They're beautiful and so pigmented. So we're going to be using this palette today on the eyes. And for primer, I do have a primer from Thrive. It is a blurring primer. This is actually the product that I did the video on for them, but I can't show the product because it's not out yet. I can show the product, but I can't show like the packaging or anything. But here's what the product looks like right there, and I'll go ahead and use this today again. Might as well. I liked it the first time I used it, so I know I said that I'm going to do my eyes first, but I am. I decided to go ahead and put primer on, I guess. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids really quick. Okay, and now for my eyes, I am going to do something pretty simple, honestly. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm going to go in with Deja Vu firstly, right here. Alrighty, and then I'm going to deepen up the outer crease with the shade called New Past, right here. And then I'm going to put the shade right here called Lucid Dream. I'm going to put this shade all over the lid. So pretty. I just wanted to do something really light because I want to go in with a colored liner later on. So I wanted to do something kind of like light and airy and just cute, but that did bring a little bit of fallout, but it was not too bad. Okay, so now I've already done my primer, so now let's go ahead and go directly into foundation. I am using this right here. This is obviously by Thrive Causemetics, and it is the Buildable Blur. It has SPF 35 and it is a CC cream. I've used this a few times and I do like it a lot. It's a little bit thicker than I thought. Like usually CC creams I thought were supposed to be a little bit, you know, like lighter coverage, but this one actually is a pretty good coverage CC cream, so that's nice. And I got this brush from Sigma not too long ago, and it is so bomb. It's a foundation brush, and I freaking love it. Like, I feel like I've been like sleeping on Sigma brushes. Like, I know their eye brushes are really good, but I didn't know that their face brushes were like this bomb. I don't actually have a concealer, so I'm gonna go in with my normal concealer, the Colourpop Pretty Fresh. So I don't know what's happened to me. I have become like literally obsessed with like sunglasses. Like, since Key dropped, like Key Australia sunglasses, since they dropped their Lizzo collection, I haven't been able to stop, and I freaking love every single one of them. And I've even gotten a couple that are not from Lizzo's collection. Like I got one from J-Lo's collection, or I actually got two from J-Lo's collection, but they're the same shade. I got Reina, and I freaking love it. I really want to do like my sunglasses collection. I think that'd be so much fun. But last night, I can't do that right now because I'm waiting on one pair and they'll be here on Monday. And then last night I ordered two more. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so basically, I really wanted some round glasses because a lot of the times I feel like the stuff that I wear is pretty not retro, but I feel like it's kind of like bohemian, kind of like boho chic kind of thing, and I don't have any round glasses. Like I really feel like sometimes when I wear certain outfits, I'm like, man, a pair of like round sunnies would just bring this look together, but I don't have any. But I ordered some and I got them in the style Farrah, and I got the green version, so they're so freaking cool. They're in the style Farrah, they're green lenses and they have like gold bands and they look so cool. I love them. I'm going in with the bronzer now. This is the Sun Chaser bronzer and this is in the shade Eos. I really like this bronzer. I've been using all these products since I did the video for Thrive, and I've just been reusing them and reusing them. And I got from Key, I don't know, these came out, I believe, when Jaclyn Hill did her collab with Key, and it's in the style Very Busy. They're like shield sunnies, but they looked so nice, but I don't know if they are still in collaboration anymore. Like, if I bought those sunglasses, I don't know if part of the royalties go to Jaclyn. I don't know if she like created that style of sunglass, or if their collaboration has ended or whatever, like if their contract has ended. I have no idea. But I did buy those ones called Very Busy and I really liked them. They had really good reviews, and on Key's website they have like an area that says like as shown on Instagram or as seen on Instagram, and you can see some people that have bought in that style of shade and then you see them wear it, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, could you imagine those at the pool? Like just like shield don't talk to me sunglasses. Or like, let's just pretend like you had a night out one night on a weekend or something and you're really hungover the next day. I haven't been hungover in 2 years almost. That's cool. But they would be like really good, like don't talk to me sunnies, you know what I mean? That's the bronzer. See, look at it, it's so nice. This is a little sus right here. There we go. Anyways, the bronzer is super nice. I like the color. I thought it was gonna be a little too dark for me when I got it, but it's not. I like it. As for blush, I have this right here. This is basically like a tinted color, so you can use this as blush, lipstick, and like all over body stuff. Here is what it looks like. And then I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, well, a lot of it on the back of my hand. And I'll just pick it up on my brush here. Like, but look, it's really cute. It's really pretty, and it's pretty light. It's not like in your face. Lord knows I'll make it in your face because I love blush like so much. So cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera. I do have a Thrive Causemetics brow product as well, and that is this right here. It is the Infinity Waterproof Brow Liner. I'm in the shade Aubrey, and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with this. I have used this once before as well. I do like it. I will say that it's waterproof, so it is a bit more like, you know what I mean? So, if that makes literally any sense. But I did like it a lot. I use this and then I normally go over it with a little bit of the Benefit Gimme Brow, or I'll use my new favorite, my new love. This is by Cosmetics. It is the Infinite Brow Cream. I love that. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do my brows off camera really quick and then I'll come right back to you. Okay, I'm back and I went ahead and did my eyebrows and I did my liner off camera. Please don't come at me for my eyeliner. This side looks pretty decent. Look at that. It looks really good. This side was an absolute freaking nightmare. Like, they're both similar shapes, but they just look kind of weird. The eyeliner that I used was from Stila. It wasn't my favorite. I've used it like once before and I don't remember it being like that, but I used it like a very long time ago and maybe that's why I never used it again. It wasn't my favorite. The tip of it kept getting super mega dry and I couldn't actually make a pointy line. So like that's why they look super blunt and it looks kind of weird. Anyways, we're gonna move on now. We're gonna go to what's this called? Mascara. This, you guys, is like the piece de resistance of Thrive Causemetics in my opinion. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions mascara and it is so good. I love this mascara. It's like one of my top 5 favorites. I freaking love it. It's a tubing mascara. And you guys know I have used this mascara multiple times on the channel. You've seen me use it. The tubing mascara basically just means that it surrounds each lash in like little individual like tubes of product. So whenever you go to wipe off your mascara, whenever you go to clean it, it comes off in like those little tubes and it's super easy to clean. Alright, so I've got my mascara done. I freaking love this mascara so much. And now I'm going to put on a little bit of highlight. I'm going to use my Sun Surfer highlight from Kaleidos. Yeah, Kaleidos just came out with a new collection, like the Escape Pod collection. Like, I'm so excited for it. It's gonna be so freaking good. But for lips today, I'm actually gonna use one that I haven't used in quite a while. This is from Fenty, and it's their liquid lipstick in the shade Uncuffed. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Lunar Beauty Celine gloss on top because that gloss is just... I swear I love that color. It's so nice. I don't wear a lot of Fenty stuff, not because I don't like it. I do love it. It's a little bit too drying for my lips because my lips are so freaking dry, but as long as I wear a gloss on top, then it's completely fine. But I love this color so much. And now I've got the Celine. Oh, yes. I love that. Now I'm going to go over with a tiny little bit of setting spray and we are going to be done. Alright you guys, and here it is. Here is the completed look using the almost full face of Thrive Causemetics. You guys, I really hope that you like this look because I freaking love this. That CC cream I really do like. Next time I'm going to use it with a hydrating primer and see how that works as well. Like, I was going to use the Farsali one right here, but since I had that blurring primer that they sent me, I might as well go ahead and show you guys that as well, because it is like, it's coming, it is in the works. But yeah, no, I love the brow product. I love the bronzer. I freaking love that bronzer. The bronzer is so good. I love the mascara, one of my favorites. And just all in all, I really loved everything that I tried. There wasn't one thing that I didn't like. Even that blush, I freaking love. It is really nice. And you can also use it as a lip color or a blush or any kind of just like body color. But yeah, you guys, it's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.